Welcome back to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I am glad you are here. Today's episode is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, the go-to platform for real-time trading signals from X and top-tier stock recommendations. Let's dive straight into what is moving the markets. There is a lot of chatter around Robinhood. The stock is down today following a tough earnings report where both revenue and earnings missed analyst expectations. Investors are also digesting news that the company increased its guidance for operating expenses, which is putting pressure on the share price. On the flip side, Bloom Energy is surging. This move is largely fueled by a major partnership with Oracle, where Bloom will provide fuel cell capacity to power a new AI data center campus. It is a classic example of the AI infrastructure play gaining real traction. Seagate Technology is also seeing a massive jump today. The company reported a beat and raise quarter, with demand for high-capacity data storage hardware continuing to climb as enterprises accelerate their AI builds. And finally, Coca-Cola is up about 4% today after crushing earnings expectations, with revenue growth and raised full-year guidance helping the stock move back toward record highs. Taking a look at the broader market, it was a day of consolidation. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq retreated from record highs, weighed down by a rotation out of high-multiple AI infrastructure names. The catalyst here was a report that OpenAI missed its internal revenue and user growth targets, which sparked fears that the massive AI spending spree might not be yielding the expected returns. Meanwhile, oil prices continue to drift higher, keeping the market on edge regarding the ongoing conflict in the Middle East. It is a classic tug-of-war between the AI growth story and macro-level anxieties. In the AI economy, the landscape remains volatile. We saw broad weakness in chip stocks like Broadcom, NVDA, and Micron, all of which were hit by that OpenAI report. However, the private side of the industry is still moving fast. We saw Profluent announce a massive partnership with Eli Lilly to use AI for designing genetic medicines, and Cleveland-Cliffs is partnering with Palantir to embed AI into its industrial workflows. The infrastructure build-out is clearly continuing, even if the public markets are taking a breather to question the pace of return on investment. Looking at other stocks in focus, it has been a busy day for earnings reactions. Beyond the names we have already discussed, T-Mobile reported a strong double beat, with revenue and earnings both topping analyst estimates, which gave the stock a nice bump. Visa also reported fiscal second quarter results that beat expectations, benefiting from resilient consumer spending despite the broader macroeconomic uncertainty. We are also keeping a close eye on Google and Tesla, both of which are under the microscope as investors prepare for their next earnings updates. To wrap things up, today was a day where the market hit the pause button on the AI rally, driven by questions about OpenAI's growth and the broader geopolitical situation with oil. We saw defensive staples like Coca-Cola catch a bid, while chip stocks took a step back. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to cover next time. And remember, for the best stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will catch you tomorrow.